Here is a fresh Korean cucumber salad ready in 10 minutes. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes 10 minutes to prepare. 1 large English cucumber, about 300 grams. 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. 1 tablespoon of gochugaru Korean red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 clove of garlic, finely minced. 1 spring onion, thinly sliced including white and green parts. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Wash 1 large English cucumber and pat it dry, then trim off the ends. Slice the cucumber lengthwise and use a small spoon to remove most seeds. Then cut the cucumber into 1/4 inch thick half-moon slices. Place the cucumber slices in a bowl and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt over them. Toss gently and let sit for 5 minutes to draw out excess water. While the cucumber rests, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 clove of minced garlic in a small bowl. After 5 minutes, drain any liquid from the cucumbers and gently press the slices between paper towel to remove extra moisture. Add the drained cucumber slices to the bowl with the dressing and toss with chopsticks or a fork until evenly coated. Fold in the thinly sliced spring onion and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds on top. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add a pinch more salt or a little more gochugaru if you prefer extra heat. Let the salad rest for 2 minutes to allow flavors to meld, then toss once more before serving. Now we'll finish the recipe. Transfer the salad to a serving bowl and garnish with a few extra sesame seeds and a thin slice of spring onion. Enjoy your Korean cucumber salad. This is the last step, and the recipe is complete. That is the Korean cucumber salad, crisp and spicy, ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick recipes.